guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find social settings on your email notification settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, and now click notifications, now click by email. Here you will find it, social settings. Here you can manage it if you want, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.